Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I am going to be making a midi skirt, as it says from the title. One of those satin kind of slip skirts. I feel like they've been pretty trendy for like a really long time now, and I was out fabric shopping and found the perfect fabric. I found this really cool leopard print fabric and a grey leopard print fabric. I'm going to be using their Evie bias skirt pattern from Tessuti. So yesterday I went to Warehouse Stationery and printed out the pattern and stuck all the pieces together, and there is a cat attacking my ankles. What you doing? You're not gonna make this easy for me, are you? So yeah, I'm just about to cut out the fabric. This morning I also traced off the other half of the pattern because only half the pattern is on the thing, so I had to get some paper from my mum. It's all sorted now. I'm ready to cut out and I hope I have enough fabric. Jeffrey. Excuse me. Now, because this is a bias skirt, it means instead of the skirt being like straight up and down on the fabric, you have to have it at an angle. Just try folding everything in half, but I think I'm gonna have to cut out each half on a different sort of area because it's gonna be hard to cut it out, I think. Otherwise it's not gonna fit. Can you see him in the corner of the screen? Jeffrey. Excuse me. Excuse me. Don't attack me. Time to cut it out with cat. We can make you a little bow tie, Jeffrey. Would you like that? Excuse me. Hey, no biting the scissors. Hey, Jeffrey. No attacking the pin. All cut out, and there's even a bit of fabric to spare, which is good because I was worried that 1.5 meters wouldn't be enough. On the instructions it said you needed 1.7 if you have 140 centimeter wide fabric. So yeah, I've got a decent amount left, which is good. Here's my two pieces cut out. I just realized I forgot to cut the notches on here. So I'll just quickly do that. I'm quickly gonna take the pins out before Jeffrey attacks them. Get them safely put away because he likes the pins. Jeffrey! Jeffrey! Hi, Mr. Pin Boy. You like the pins? I went to set up my sewing machine and came back to this. I think he likes the fabric. Got out my laptop. This is what the pattern looks like. It comes with instructions. So I've already looked at my size and stuff. So I thought I'd just check their instructions. Just so that I make sure I'm doing it right. Mine just has elastic at the top. They also have instructions for doing it with a zip, but I wanted elastic because I felt like that would be easier and comfier. So I've got, this is just a disc from Kmart if you're curious. This is a cat paper bag. And yeah, so I've got a brother sewing machine all set up, and I've got an Elna overlocker there. Right, so I've got a little piece of scrap here, and what I'm going to do is just test a little seam just to check that I'm happy with the finish. This pattern is pretty simple. It's just got the side seams. So I'm gonna start with those and make sure my two shiny sides are facing each other. So I'm just gonna sew my 1 centimeter seam. Now the other side. My stitching, my overlocking, both sides of the skirt. I thought it looked a little large, but now I'm worried. It doesn't look like it's gonna get over my hips. Oh no, it does, no panic. So once I get the elastic on, then it will cinch it in a little bit at the waist and it will hold up. Oh, I'm getting excited. Right, I've overlocked around the waist, down the sides, and it's time to do the elastic. So this is scalloped edge elastic that I'm going to attach to the waistband. This was ridiculously expensive. I feel like elastic doesn't usually cost this much, but this one cost like $12 a meter. I feel like I was ripped off by Spotlight, but that's alright. I got the elastic I needed. So I'm just going to measure around my waist and get the right sized elastic. I think that's feeling good. Chop it. So, just gonna sew the two ends together to secure them. Fold my skirt in half. Just put pins in each quarter so that I know where to attach the elastic to. And do the same with my elastic. So, I've got pins at each quarter, so just fold it in half, put pins. Fold it in half, put pins. So now I know where to attach it on my skirt. We do that so it's all matched up. But as you can see, the skirt is bigger than the elastic. So as I sew, I'm going to stretch out the elastic so that my fabric's flat when I sew it. So for the first round of stitching on the waistband, I'm stitching right next to the little scalloped bit. Stretch the elastic. Make sure it's lined up to the edge and then sewing next to the scallop. Just finished that stitch. So I've got the scalloped edge facing down so that now it's attached to the skirt, and when I fold it, oh wait, did I do this right? I don't think I did. I think I did it on the wrong side. No! Hold on. Let's look at the instructions. I 100% did it on the wrong side, so now I'm gonna have to unpick it. Well, at least I tried, because what you're meant to do is you're meant to fold it. Fold the elastic down, and you get the little scalloped edge up the top. But this should be the fabric side that's correct. But this is the side I want on the outside. Oh no, there's a flying cat. I'm trying to sew, please. Jeffrey. Okay, so I've removed the incorrectly sewed on elastic while I was out, and I am going to sew it on the right way this time. Okay, this is where I should have been before, but messed up. So, elastic, right side, fold it back, and then I'll sew it. I'm just gonna iron it first, and I'm gonna iron down these seams as well. I'm going to fold over the elastic and then sew a zigzag stitch along here while stretching it out, and then I'll have a waistband. The waistband looks like on the inside, and then the outside I think it'll look better once it's ironed up. To help me do the hem, I'm going to sew just a 6mm line around the bottom, and that gives me something to turn it around when I do the hem to do the double row. So I'll sew a line so then I know how to turn, and I can turn it and sew it. My line of stitching running along here, so I'm just going to fold it back and press it where that line is. Just tried it on. I still have my workout gear on, but I feel like it could be a little bit longer on me, but this is what we had. I thought it might be too long, but you can lengthen and shorten the pattern. I just chose not to. So yeah, I think it's looking pretty cute. I'll finish the hem and then I'll put on a quick outfit with it. Jeffrey, I need my chair. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Please, Jeffrey, thank you. So I'm just gonna fold this where I've ironed it, fold it again, and sew along there. My needle was kind of pulling a bit, so I think I need a new fresh one so that I don't affect my fabric or get any holes or pulls. So I'm just gonna put fresh needle on. It's always good if you're sewing something, especially like a satin with a print. The hem is all sewn like so, the little double turn. So I'll give it an iron and then get some video of wearing it with an outfit. This was a really quick and easy sew. The pattern was really good, and just trying it on before, it seemed to fit really nicely. I think I could have gone down to a size 10 though. I went by my measurements, which said I should have a 12, but I think I could have gotten away with a 10. There was still plenty of room to get it on over my hips, so I think I might make Ellen's a bit smaller for her. Oh no, oh no. I literally just ironed a hole in it. This is polyester and I had my iron too high and I literally just ironed a hole in it. I guess I'll turn down the iron temp and try to press the bottom. I just ironed so much of it on the same temperature, but obviously it had gotten hotter since I stopped, so that's what happens. So this is the finished skirt. I think it turned out pretty nicely and the pattern was good. I've just styled it with my edges and my aesthetics t-shirt and a leather jacket, and I think it looks pretty cute. I'm excited to wear it. This fabric from Draper's is a really nice weight for it. I feel all slinky and floaty. I actually quite like the length. I think it finishes at a good length, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Remember to subscribe and say bye. Bye, Jeffrey. Bye.